In this video, we will discuss the Best Buy dashcam reviews. As you can see, I have in here this article for the 8 best dashcams of 2026 that you can get from Best Buy. For this case, we have in here these options. We have Red Tiger dashcam. It's around $110. It have this pros, which is 4K front and rear recording with good night vision, and it has memory card. However, it requires additional accessories for parking monitor. You can also get the Invilet dash cam, which is good because it's only $36. It is expensive with compact design and simple installation, but it has lower video resolution and no built-in GPS. Also, the Rove dash cam, which is only $70 at Amazon with 24/7 monitoring capabilities, free parking detection, and 4K resolution. However, the hardware kit is sold separately. We have a lot more like Vifo. We also have Wallbox, and you can look for other dashcams with great video resolutions, channels, and features. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.